time for the windmill. Let me tell you about the windmill. This is a 3D printed. There are two options. Option number one, for those who already know. Option number two, where you can find it. And this is painted gray. So you might be able to add some color or whatever you want to paint it. You can paint it different shades. This is how it looks. Look at that, perfect. So let's check option number one. This model is just for scale, so you can compare the size, how it looks, how tall it is. That's pretty much like that. Kind of tall. Nice. Option number one right there from that webpage. Option number two right there. So option number one right there. Okay, you already know option number two. Working on some faces. I don't know if you can attach a motor unless you find a very small motor. You can maybe, if you want to customize it, maybe. Yeah, I think there is some room, but the gear box or the gear attachment, I don't know. Maybe you can do something. I haven't tried. Let me see. But you need kind of a very, look at this. See that motor size right there? It does fit right there. Maybe you can attach with a long shaft for the motor or an adapter. But the motor needs to be with a very low RPM. You don't want that go crazy, you know, it's not a helicopter. But definitely it can be done. I don't have the time to do that. I painted some of these the other day, remember? Trying to match the colors. So I decided to paint this gray shade. So if you want to customize this one, go for it. But it comes as it is. Obviously, disassemble. I cannot send it as it goes. So I usually detach this part flat in a box with some cardboard to protect the blades, like so. That's what I used to do. And then the rest in the same box with the ladder and you know, the wheel, blah blah blah. Okay,